guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the Fox Tan, and I, first of all, love the Fox Tan so much. I've been using this pretty much like the whole summer now, and I've actually found out about this product I think like last year or so, but I'm just now getting around to filming this video. So it's summertime, people tan a lot, me specifically, and the thing is about tanning is that I don't like to be under the sun for too long, or else I'll actually start to burn, and it's just not that good to be under the sun that long. This product basically just lets you tan faster, so basically less time in the sun and more results using all of these products. I'm going to show you how to use them, the results that I got. I actually filmed this at the beach, so I'm going to be showing you guys all that, and if you want to see how I use this product, then just keep on watching. So I'm just going to go through every single product in here. They actually just released a new Rapid Caramel Kiss tanning oil. I do not have that. I have their original products right here. So mine came in this little bag. I believe when you buy the triple threat you get this as well. So the first step is to apply the Rapid Elixir. I'm definitely going to have to buy a bigger bottle because I am almost running out. So basically what you do, this product is not the product that you use under the sun. So this is the product that's really just going to boost the melanin. So you want to use this 3 to 5 days before you have extreme sun exposure. So like let's say I'm going to the beach like on Sunday or Saturday or something like that, I have to start applying this every day until that point. The second step is to apply the Rapid Mist. It is a spray. First of all, let me just say all of these products smell amazing. This is the actual tanning oil that you will be using when you are out in the sun tanning. So you just spray this all over your body, and like any other tanning oil, you just sit, flip, tan, and there you go. But I would recommend using the Rapid Elixir on your face because this has less oil than the Rapid Mist. Alright, so you just finished your tanning session and you just look very gorgeous and bronzed, and you don't want to lose that tan because you just want to keep it locked in your skin. So what I use is the Suntan Sealer. So it's bigger than the Rapid Elixir, a lot bigger. Basically, it's just like a lotion, like an after sun lotion, so you have to make sure that after you tan you use this product, because if not, then your tan is just going to slowly fade away. But if you just want it to stay there like the whole summer, the whole year, you have to use this product or else it's just going to fade away. Not only will it keep your tan looking fresh, it moisturizes my skin. Like when I'm at the beach, I feel all dry and just like really hot and gross. This really helps moisturize my skin, and it's a holy grail product. And the final step is the Hydrating Body Spray, and this is an Island Coconut Mango, and these all kind of just smell the same, but I just feel like this one just smells the best for some reason. So this is a hydrating body and face spray. So what I like to do is after I use my suntan sealer, I go ahead and spray this all over my body. I spray my legs, my chest, stomach, arms, also my face. It's very refreshing. So you don't always have to use this like after your tan. Like I love using this when I get out of the shower, coming from the pool, you know, just when I get really hot like I am right now. It's literally like 100 degrees out. But yeah, it's just an amazing product and I love it so much. If you guys use the code Madison Haas, you guys can get 10% off your whole purchase, and actually each product isn't even that expensive, so with that 10% off it's going to save you a bunch of money. Like I said, it's an amazing brand. Everyone there is super sweet and so nice. I definitely recommend all of these products, and also their Rapid Caramel Kiss I am going to purchase soon, of course. So if you guys want to see a little review on that, definitely let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it helped you guys out. I hope you guys try this out. If you seriously want a nice tan this summer, buy all of these products. I love you all so much, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!